we obtained the names of the victims and from the registrar of the district hospital, and accordingly got in touch with them, and thereby we got to understand that as per their knowledge, the dog appeared to be a domesticated dog. So on further investigation, we came to know that the dog was spotted jumping out from a car, uncollared and unleashed, and went directly playfully to play with this group of 2 children and 1 man. Subsequently, in the thing of play, his one of the child's hands was in his mouth and 1 tooth insertion mark occurred. The other elderly boy got 1 scratch. But then, considering the present scenario, they decided to go in for the anti-rabies vaccination. In the evening of the next day, we went for a site inspection to the stadium. Fortunately, most of the dogs there are well known to us because we know all the feeders, and 99% of the dogs have been sterilized at various camps. So we went, interacted, took photographs of the dogs, sent them to the victims. All of them denied that it was that dog. They all consistently said that it was a big light brown colored male dog, and it was seen jumping out of a car. So it was established very clearly that the dog was a domesticated dog, and it was not a vicious or ferocious attack. Whatever incident happened was in the midst of playful reaction with the dog.
Fatorda case, I would like to clarify that it was thoroughly investigated and the report has been sent to the South Collector's office, and it turned out to be a pet dog bite case, not a stray dog bite case.
जो बाबा कांय कॉलर ना की कांय रजिस्ट्रेशन ना तो रोडार असो धांवलो, लोक ताका स्ट्रे डॉग म्हणटा. आतां प्रॉब्लेम कितें आहा, टॅक्निकल डेफिनेशन जावपा जाय. रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस जर जायत तेन्ना मागीर हळू हळू तें सेग्रिगेशन जावंक शकता.